one major feature to guarantee success is maniwala ka muna. For the past 18 years, I've been believing in each and every one of you. For the past 18 years, ako po'y naniniwala na marami pa tayong buhay na mababago.
I keep you close to me, you're like the burning sun, shining bright, 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 and you power me with love. I feel your energy flowing through my veins, and you fight, fight, fight every battle that I face. Oh, I'll never, never, never let you go. You're all I need when I'm weak.
Ito yung pinaka-greatest battle sa buhay ko. Ayun, nagkaroon po tayo ng sakit na chronic kidney failure. Nasa hospital ako that time. Humahataw pa din ako. Naka-attend pa din ako ng training. Kasi yun yung nagpa-survive sa akin.
It's like
Ang importante dito, dapat punong-puno ka ng tiwala sa sarili. Ang pagyaman po kasi wala po yan sa itsura. Wala yan sa kung anong pinag-aaralan. Tama po, ang pagyaman nandito po. Kung alam mo sarili mo, yayaman ka, naniniwala ka ba?
We are here not to experience happiness alone. Nandito tayo sa mundong to is for us to experience life. Kaibigan, classmate, kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, kung ano man ang sitwasyon mo ngayon, relax ka lang kasi ang driver ng buhay natin walang iba kung hindi ang nasa taas.
when I'm weak, I know you will make me stronger, stronger when I'm beat.
Every time I achieve a goal, I always ask myself, what's next? Para magkaroon ka ng another level ng goal mo. Walang atrasan, your yes must be a yes, there's no turning back, walang reservation, yung hataw talaga na patay kung patay. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan, sigurado dudulo tayong lahat.
Stronger.
I grew up in AIM Global. I shared my own father with each and every one of you that is here tonight. I saw how he believed in you, just like a father believes in his child.
Sinong gusto manalo ng 1 milyon?
Q8F10.
Ay, Merto! Ngayon ka mananalo ng SUV!
Shota Masura.
So happy 18th year anniversary. Every anniversary, ladies and gentlemen, will never be complete without, of course, showing you the very heart of our company. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not only here in this company to enrich ourselves, because the truth is, service to others lead to greatness.
Kapag naniwala ka, the next B will come. Ang breakthrough, walang pinipili. Ano man ang kulay ng balak mo, saan ka man galing, ang breakthrough, samahan mo ng believe. Etong taong to ng 2024, sa'yong